Hello everyone, welcome to today's activity. Today's animal is snake. Have you ever seen a snake? I have seen many. I have seen some in zoo, I have seen some on my forest trails, and I have even seen ones in my school that was absolutely terrifying. There are various types in snake. There are some venomous and there are some non-venomous. Venomous means poisonous. Also, snakes can be dangerous as well as non-dangerous as well. They are particularly carnivorous in nature, so they only eat meat. There are total 3000 species of snakes all over. Also, they do not have particularly teeth to bite, so they have to swallow food as whole. Also, they do not have eyelids like humans do. So now, let's get started with our craft activity. Today we are going to be making a snake necklace. Just like this. This is so adorable. We will have a lot of fun making this. So let's get started. Okay, so first we will start with the materials. First we will need a dark green marble paper, a light green marble paper, a yellow marble paper, and red chart paper. Then we will need a marker, a pair of scissors, a pencil, a glue, an eraser to correct our mistakes, and a scale. So first, we will take any marble paper that we want and start drawing stripes behind it. There, we are done cutting all of the stripes. Now we will start sticking them together. First, we will stick them just like this. As you can see, we have made a line. We will apply glue on this area and stick it just like that. Okay? While we are at it, did you know that snakes have flexible jaw which allows them to eat prey bigger than their own head? They are found on every continent in the world except for Antarctica. And snakes have internal ears, not external, unlike humans and any other animals. Snakes also have a unique autonomy which allows them to swallow and digest large prey. Snakes are also covered in scales, as you must have seen one. Some sea snakes can breathe partially through their skin by allowing longer dives underwater. Also, anacondas are large, non-venomous snakes found in South America that can reach over 5 meters in length. 5 meters! That is so long. Also, python reticulates can grow over 8.7 meters, that is 28 feet in length, and are considered the longest snake in the world. That is amazing. While there are many venomous snakes, there are also snakes that are non-venomous and harmless. So, if you go on a forest trail and you come across a venomous snake and it bites you, what will you do in this situation? Well, for the first aid for snake bites, you immediately move away from the area where bite occurred. If the snake is still attached, use a stick or a tool to make it let go. Sea snake victims need to move away from the water to a dry land to avoid drowning. Remove anything tight around the bitten part of the body, example anklets, bracelets, rings if you're wearing one, as they can cause harm if the swelling occurs. Reassure the victim, many snake bites are caused by non-venomous snakes, but even after the most venomous snake bites you, the risk of death is not immediate. Immobilize the person completely, splint the limb to keep it still, and use a makeshift stretcher to carry the person to a place where transport is available. Also, vomiting may occur, so place the person on the left side in recovery position. Monitor a person's breathing and airway, and always be safe. We will first take a thin stripe of paper and rotate it right around these edges and stick these together. Now we will proceed on the head of the snake. We will first take this, roll it around like this and stick this part. Now for the tongue, we will take a red piece and draw a tongue on it. For the eyes, I have cut these two small circles of white color. Now we will draw over them. There, we are done with our snake necklace. It will look somewhat like this. Isn't it so cute? And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's activity and learned something about snakes. Be careful, be safe, and thank you so much for watching.